Shout out to everyone. Lovely, lovely evening. Ayan, time check natin. It's 6:11. This is Big Steve, your sexy cowboy. Ayan. And we are live broadcasting sa ating Bigo Live. Simultaneously yan sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Mix Derulo if you wanna check it out. Ayan, magandang gabi, bayan. And tonight, we'll be doing mga songs na mga most requested song, guys, no? I love to last a lifetime, Jose Marichan. We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in our lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in our lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts will take wings like a sparrow. But the life will take each day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for tomorrow. As for me, all of my days, I will spend them all with you. Loving you will last a lifetime. We all believe something lasting behind to be remembered by, and just a song from me, and then at least I would have tried. And I agree, it's not so much we have to, as we miss what we have in our lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in our lifetime. All my love I would give for as long as I may live, with a love to last a lifetime. Napakagandang love song from Jose Marichan. I love to last a lifetime. Ayan. Shout out to everyone. Magandang gabi, bayan. Ayan. Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines.